Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest update for Apple Watch users, watchOS 26.4. Now, you might be wondering, what's new under the hood? Well, let's break it down and explore the exciting features and improvements that Apple has packed into this release. First things first, Apple has been listening to user feedback, and one of the key areas of focus in this update is the Workout app. Remember the redesign in watchOS 26 that caused a stir? Well, Apple has made some adjustments to address those concerns. One of the most notable changes is the addition of a large, prominent icon that now serves as a genuine start button for workouts. This is a significant improvement because it eliminates the confusion that arose when users mistakenly treated the icon as a start button. Now, starting a workout is just a tap away, making the process more intuitive and user-friendly. But that's not all. watchOS 26.4 also brings a delightful surprise for emoji enthusiasts. Apple has added support for 8 new emojis, including the Ballet Dancer, Distorted Face, and Fight Cloud. These additions bring a touch of fun and creativity to your Apple Watch, allowing you to express yourself in unique ways. It's a small but impactful change that enhances the overall user experience. Lastly, Apple has addressed some bugs and glitches that users have encountered. By fixing these issues, the update aims to provide a smoother and more seamless experience for Apple Watch owners. While it's a minor update, these bug fixes can significantly impact the overall user experience, ensuring that your Apple Watch runs like a well-oiled machine. In summary, watchOS 26.4 is a solid release that addresses user feedback, enhances the Workout app, introduces new emojis, and improves overall stability. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to continuous improvement and user satisfaction. So, if you're an Apple Watch user, it's definitely worth updating to the latest version. What are your thoughts on these changes? Do you have any other features you'd like to see in future updates? Let me know in the comments below.